Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how you can easily change user profile picture in Windows 11. So this video is pretty straightforward, and I'll be really happy guys if this video helped you. Write down below in the comments so that this video helped you, so when other people will come they will see it's helpful. Now it's pretty straightforward. What you have to do, you have to go to the bottom of Start, right click on it and click Settings. Now when you're going to click Settings, you will just wait for a while, and then you're gonna have the accounts here and your information, and you can open camera, or you can simply browse files, and then you can like choose whatever photo you want and you choose the picture. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.